welcome back to our channel. Today we're making delicious and fun dish taco rice. This recipe was requested by one of you, so thank you so much. If you have any other request, let me know in the comment. I'm always happy to make what you want to see. Taco rice is a popular dish from Okinawa, Japan. It's basically taco ingredients served over rice instead of tortillas. Originally, it was created as a quick and filling meal for workers, but now it's enjoyed by many people. Let's get started! First, let's prepare the lettuce. Cut the lettuce into thick slices. Next, chop the tomato. Cut the tomato into bite-sized pieces. Finally, chop the onion. Mince the garlic for cooking. Next, heat the oil. Add oil to the pan and saute the garlic over low heat so it doesn't burn. Next, cook the onion. Once the garlic is fragrant, add the onion and cook until it becomes translucent. Add the ground meat and cook it thoroughly. Season with the salt and pepper. If there's too much oil, you can remove it with a paper towel. Let's add the seasoning. Stir in the ketchup, sauce, soy sauce, sugar, and chili powder if using. Cook until most of the liquid has evaporated and the meat mixture is thick. Next, prepare the avocado. Cut the avocado just before serving to keep it from turning brown. Finally, assemble the dish. Place hot rice on a plate, top with lettuce and seasoned meat and tomato. Sprinkle with cheese and add any toppings you like, salsa, Tabasco, or sweet chili sauce. A fried egg or avocado makes a great addition. For this recipe, I add avocado on top. You can also crumble tortilla chips for extra crunch. The combination of the juicy meat, fresh lettuce, and tangy tomato with the soft rice is so satisfying. The melted cheese adds richness, and if you add a bit of salsa or Tabasco, it gives the dish a nice kick. It's such a fun and flavorful twist on tacos. Thank you so much for cooking with me today. I hope you enjoyed making taco rice. It's a simple but really delicious dish. If you have any other recipes request, feel free to leave them in the comments, and I'll do my best to make them for you. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more yummy Japanese recipes. See you next time and happy cooking! Bye bye!